Hey guys, Mermaid Millie from Disney Love here, and I have this week a Jungle Book Vinylmation. I'm kind of really super duper excited about this one because Jungle Book is one of my favorite movies and I just love Baloo the bear. And yeah. So I'm super excited about this one. These are the ones you can get. Baloo, Bagheera, Hathi Jr., the four vultures. I just looked them up, their names, because I didn't know their names. Ziggy, Dizzy, Flappy, and the other one is, oh my gosh, I forgot. But yeah, so those guys, Shere Khan, Mowgli, and the King of the Jungle. King Louie. Okay, and then there's the chaser, which I think is Kaa. I'm pretty sure it's Kaa. So, yeah, let's open her up and see what we got. No refunds, exchanges, or returns. So I guess I better keep it. Just kidding. Oh! We got Mowgli! This is my first non-villain Vinylmation. I'm serious. All of the other Vinylmations that I've pulled have been villains. I have... My first one was Maleficent. Right there. Oh, Mowgli. Maleficent. Then him. Shan Yu. And, well, you get the gist. Then Jafar. Then the coachman. Then Ursula. So far I've gotten only villains. Which, I mean, it makes sense. Because, I mean, okay, so with these four, they were all in the villains collections. So no matter what, I was going to get a villain. But then I pull Ursula, and she's a villain too. But now we have Mowgli. And he is got his little angry face on. Not going to go back to the man village at all. Sorry guys. Gonna stay here in my underwear and be Mowgli, the man cub. But I like Mowgli. I'm not disappointed. He's cute. Let's see who he was designed by. Gerald Mendez. So Gerald Mendez designed him. Come on, there we go. So yeah, he's got the little leaves in his Mickey ears. He's kind of plain. I mean, there's not much you can put on him because he's a man, human. But his feet look huge. That's funny. Alright, well that's what I got. There's a car starting in the parking lot over there. But, yeah. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want more. And I'll see you guys next week.